Hey, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how you can style your box braids in a few different ways. But before that, I'm going to refresh mine a little bit, so I'll show you how I do that too. So I had these in for maybe a little over 6 weeks now. I'm trying to push it to 8 weeks to have it in for a full 2 months. But as you can see, it's getting kind of about that time. I need them to last for a little bit longer because I'm here in this hotel and I'm not going home at least for about like another week or so. So I'm not taking them out and going through a full wash day and all that stuff without my products. I'm just not gonna do it. So they're gonna last. And so I'm gonna show you how to style them if you have new box braids or old box braids. So keep on watching. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with some gel, and it's like an edge control sticky gel. And basically I'm going to put the gel on my finger and twist the braid and kind of just pin it up. It's almost like the same technique I imagine they use when they lock someone or do a retwist on somebody with locks. So you just put the gel on there and then you just kind of lay the edges at the same time of twisting, and then I just like to clip it up. A lot of times I'll do this overnight so that way it can set and then last you. But since I feel like showing y'all some cute hairstyles today, I'm just gonna do it and then get right to it, okay? Y'all see all this new growth? Like, I'm really excited. So if you didn't know, I'm doing a protective styling journey for all of 2020. The whole reason why I started this journey is because I realized that my hair wasn't growing from year to year. I would do certain hairstyles and they would pretty much look the same. And especially being almost 5 years natural, I was like, something gotta give. I'm almost 5 years natural. There's no way that, you know, my hair is just not growing. So I've been trying to protect this style for the whole year to just figure that out. Figure out if I can break through this plateau and yeah, and then just see where my growth is. So stay tuned for that. Hopefully I can find a great salon that I can bring you all with me and record her work, and it'll be like probably my first blowout. Come to think of it, I had my hair straightened around like December 2018, but I'm not sure if that was a blowout or not, even though my hair was straightened. So I'll insert a picture of that, and then so you can see. But yeah, and it was like, it was pretty short. Y'all look at this. This is. But yeah, my hair even then, I don't even know if it touched my shoulders. So I know for sure it grew since then. Also, if you haven't already, check out my 6-month check-in, my 6-month link check for my journey so far. I'm definitely seeing some changes already, and I'm definitely seeing some growth. So the first style, I love this style. If you don't follow me on Instagram, maybe you haven't seen it, but if you do, you see me do it, and it's the Bantu knots. So I've never seen this style done in braids, but it is so, to me, it's just so nice and so creative. And then I did hairpins in each one of my Bantu knots. So I'll do that now. So you just grab a section of hair, hold it, and then begin to twist until it comes around. And keep twisting it around. You can do this with, like you can do them smaller, just grab smaller portions, or a little bit bigger. And you can always go back in with a rubber band or a scrunchie to really make sure you secure it in. Just keep wrapping it around your finger and wrap it around. First of all, can we just pause? I know this is just a style in and of itself. Okay, style number one. Okay, let me finish what I was initially doing. I got a little carried away. There you have it, style number two. And it just wouldn't be right if I didn't adorn it with those hair clips. Of course, another style would be just the single knot up top. So this is like a 3-in-1. Boom, right out the gate. Look at that. And then for these, you just unravel at the bottom. And then you got style number 3. So for this next style, I don't really know what you call it, but it's very Monet inspired. So you're going to kind of take a front portion of your hair and side swipe it, whatever side is your fave, and you're kind of gonna swoop it like this, but it's gonna be more than a swoop. You're gonna keep that going. Make sure your ends are nice and pull it over again in front. I'm just gonna take a pin. It's better with a bobby pin, so it's not as much seam, but I have a regular pin right now. And it's like a, I don't know, it just reminds me of like, you know, when a piece of hair is in front of your face. I don't know what style that is, but I like it with these braids. So my next style is still creative, but more, what do you call it? Words, they're killing me. So my next style is something you've probably seen before, or more often, but you don't see it all the time. And it is a fishtail braid. So fishtail braids are super nice to me because they just give you such a different look than the regular braid. And so I'm gonna do fishtail braids with my box braids. Okay. So to do a fishtail braid, you just wanna grab the hair from the outside, bring it to the inside, and you kinda just keep doing that. but I'll show you, of course. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Just a few ways how you can wear your hair and some more creative hairstyles and how to refresh your braids after having them in for a while. Let me know which one was your fave down below. Stay beautiful. Bye.